attorney.
The inquiry should have stopped, the officer should have left, my client should have been able to go on with his workday.
People may look at the video and say, well, why not just provide your ID?
This is America. This isn't Nazi Germany. Show me your papers, please.
So what does Texas law say? Statute 38.02 of the Texas Penal Code reads, it's against the law to refuse to give your name, address, or date of birth to an officer, but only if the person refuses after they're arrested. Jennifer Lauren is a law professor at the University of Texas who specializes in criminal law.
So in the instance of simply not telling the police who you are, actually the law only makes that a crime if you're under arrest.
Still need to see an ID from me.
And I still need to know what I'm being charged for.
You're fixing to be charged with failure to ID is what you're fixing to be.
Sir, but I don't have to provide you with an ID unless I'm being charged with something and I have done nothing wrong.
Where did you go to law school?
I don't have to answer. I plead the fifth.
You got one last chance, you're fixing to go to jail for failure to ID.
Sir, unless you're charging me with something, I do not have to provide you with an ID. Sir, you know the law. Sit on my car. You both, yeah, just sit on my car. Sorry. I know. That's what I'm trying to.
This one right here is a jailhouse lawyer refusing to ID.
I will, no problem. I will give my ID if I'm being charged with something. I don't have to show my ID unless I'm being charged with something. That is the law.
There's a probable cause for us to be out here.
Yes, sir.
I want to know who you are. So I'm requesting your ID. You failed ID, I'm going to take you into jail. And that's law.
That's the law?
That's the law.
What's your name, sir?
Lockhart.
What's your number? I'm sorry, I don't have a good video.
1064.
1064, Lockhart? Okay. So what's my charge?
You're not being charged with anything.
Then I don't have to show you my ID, sir.
You're involved in an investigation. You want to interfere with the investigation? You're going to jail for interfering with a police officer in performance of an investigation. Do you understand that?
Sir,
do you understand that? Yes or no?
I plead the fifth.
You plead the fifth? Let me have your ID.
Sarge, can I go watch?
No.
I'm going to take a step back because I'm feeling threatened. You are an armed civilian, sir.
Lanisa, please.
No, you can't do this. This is illegal.
Lanisa,
hey, whoa, she didn't
lay
do
off
nothing.
of her.
She didn't.
Lanisa, chill.
Lawyer.
Lanisa, please.
I'm going to take a step back because I'm feeling threatened. You are an armed civilian, sir.
Lanisa, please.
No, you can't do this. This is illegal.
Lanisa,
hey, whoa, she didn't
lay
do
off
nothing.
of her.
She didn't do nothing.
Okay.
Lanisa, chill.
Lawyer.
Lanisa, please.
Lawyer.
Lanisa, just chill. Lanisa.
Please. Please.
Lanisa, just chill, please.
I understand.
I did nothing
wrong.
wrong.
You didn't.
I did nothing wrong.
I know you didn't, babe. I know.
He's in a fight.
I did not.
He wasn't in a fight.
I wasn't in a fight.
He wasn't in a fight.
I know.
We were trying.
First off, the yelling doesn't get you.
Broken out in the parking lot of a local fast food restaurant on Waldron Road. It happened back in August, but the video of the encounter was recently posted in the last few days and has made the rounds online.
So I'm requesting your ID. You failed ID, I'm going to take you into jail. And that's law.
That's the law.
That's the law.
What's your name, sir?
Lockhart.
What's my charge?
You're not being charged with anything.
Then I don't have to show you my ID, sir.
You're involved in an investigation. You want to interfere with the investigation? You're going to jail for interfering with a police officer in performance of an investigation. Do you understand that?
Now, just before this, the woman was restrained by an off-duty officer with the district attorney's office who called CCPD for backup to help with the fight investigation. The woman tells 3 News tonight that she was trying to leave the parking lot when the fight broke out, but according to police, the woman was involved in the fight and failed to ID herself to the officers. Watch what happens next.
I'm going to take a step back because I'm feeling threatened. You are an armed civilian, sir.
Lanisa, please.
No, you can't do this. This is illegal.
Lanisa,
Hey, whoa, she didn't
lay
do
off of
nothing.
her.
She didn't.
Lanisa, chill.
Lawyer.
Now you can see right there, the woman was allegedly placed in a chokehold by the off-duty officer with the district attorney's office. District Attorney Mark Skirka had no comment on the video or the actions of the officer today. In a statement to 3 News, the woman says she was eventually released and not arrested. She claims that she was asked by the Corpus Christi Police officer to delete the video. Now in a statement just released from CCPD, it states that members of the Corpus Christi Police Department do not interfere with citizens who wish to photograph or record officers in public spaces. It also says that the woman was detained based on the incident and not due to the fact that she was videotaping the officers.
Well, what about giving her ID? Did they say anything about that? About whether that is required?
Well, that is required. Whether you're a witness or involved in an incident, you are required to tell officers who you are.
Okay. Bill, thank you.
No, thanks, Bill. And a Portland family is